Hello there and welcome to our live discovery. My name is Sam and today I'm going to be showing you some wonderful work with our movable alphabet. Okay, so here in front of us we have our movable alphabet. Now I've chosen some letters for you here and we're going to have a look at them. Here we have K, M, S, A and T. Now we've been working a lot with our sounds and we know that we can make words from our sounds. We can make words from our letters too. Okay, I'm just going to put these down here. What do we have here? A, T. Let's put those together. At. Now we can create words from those letters that we have on our mat here. Let's try this one. M. M, A, T. It's written here. Shall we try and put those together? Mat. Our letters are on this mat. Shall we try some more? Let's take another A and another T. We can have K, A and T. Cat. We can see how it's written here. Cat. Let's take some more. Another A. And another T. A and T. This time we're going to add a S. S, A, T. Should we try and put those together? Sat. Sat. Shall we try some more? Let's take another A. Another T. Maybe we can think of a word from our movable alphabet here. I'm going to use this one here. R. Let's put it together. Rat. R, A, and T. Rat. Now, we've created sounds from the beginning of our words here. We had our A and T, but we put letters at the beginning to make words. Here we have M, K, S and R. Mat, cat, sat and rat. Now I think you can discover some more on your own. I'm going to tidy these away. Maybe later on you can get the movable alphabet and discover some more for yourself. Thank you very much for joining me.